Tina, let me tell you something. If you don't want me, you have nothing. Because I not give it to you yet, girl. Let me just tell you this. Miss Lothian born with a real breast. So you see the money, the PP loan money where you thief, and me don't make a repost it. It post on my page and pin. What you do your breast? When I compare nothing out here with you. When I compare nothing out here with you, come I start by telling you this, like a delusional drunker. When you're born with something natural, when you not have to fix nothing, that's why I'm telling us, say, my special father is a well-born man from St. Elizabeth. The kids them when my mother have fame, they are the only one who black. My father flash him out all over Jamaica. When me tell us say him go him stamp the 14 parish. Yeah? Me are the only black one. I love what me see. I love what me see till me don't even wear falls here. I don't want no more falls here on my head. Cause I can cream my ear and I can do me no want nothing upon it. So let me tell you something like a nasty thinking, mad delusional girl. Yeah, myself left the people them out here with them brand. Step to Miss Lothian. All of the people them where you used to take said pan. And me a tight talk for them. Nobody now answer you. Nobody. Anybody come out here come answer you, me cuss them. And me I do the talking for everybody. The only somebody you're supposed to talk to on the internet and me. Don't evil look over there. Yes, end festive go video the woman shop already. The why I can never put out the video them because I say you get to understand say Miss Lothian little boy daddy is a police officer. Cause you coward long time in a drunk. You coward long time. So let me tell you something. You could have put up breasts. Go put up your thinking fountain mouth and that you forgot put up. You not take no set for nobody else out here. The fake page where you have a sell the cake. Little guinea pig girl. Little nasty stinking girl who want beard. Allow the people them, I say enough for you now. Allow the people them. Go look for your grand picnic. And that you have to do anytime you come out here. Let me tell you something. If you think say you can take down Sophie page like how you make Sophie lose her work. For Sophie come out here. Anything we come out here for defend Tina Chin. Me a send on about blood cleat in. You and them. Any girl, any boy. Me a liberty up your nasty backside. I make them come. Enough for you now. You do too much part so you can take Sophie page as you have along, as you like. For make Sophie come out. Concuss. Cause she have a lot going on with Chino. Well, yeah, sure. Your breast them look, you're not tan good. And not only your heart, body, your mind corrupt. Your whole body corrupt. You know, down to your body don't like you. Cause it decide to spoil upon you. I want the little nasty underprivileged, mad delusional, dirty, nasty, drunk, Tina Chinia. Come out here. Come out here. Somebody here look for come take set pan. Push out back head. Push out your head, Darcy Tina. Medea. Medea. Bless up yourself, Queen Stacy. Medea Tina, come. You're not take a set pan. None of the people out here with no brand. None of them. None of them. Miss Lothian never trouble it. Miss Lothian know you. Miss Lothian know you. Maybe if you call Miss Lothian and ask her who name Tina. Or about Tina, Miss Lothian and ask you who name. So Miss Lothian don't know you. Miss Lothian don't know you. You're going to leave the woman alone. She not take no business contract from you. You leave the woman and her brand. You're going to leave Althea. And I make sure I call her Althea because I never like trouble. You're going to leave Althea alone. I'm never call her Miss New Jersey. I'm never find her name. That's when but you leave her alone. But hey, leave her alone. God born her with her big breast. And you thief PP loan money. Her mouth clean. You see no rotten teeth in her mouth. She can cook. She have ambition. 8 years she have foreign. She have ambition. Nobody not talk nothing about her. Nobody not talk nothing about her. Leave her alone. When you did a run up and down in a dance hall and a lick up battle, she did a work 6 days a week and through her partner for reach a spot she want to go. She never carry drugs. Look at Fraty mouth, thinking mouth, drunk, leave Althea alone. You not come out your contact no set pan nobody will have no brand. Over me dead as you come out for them, I come out for you. Leave the woman alone. Leave the people them with brand alone. You're too workless. You're too stagnant. Them days they done. Them days the way you text said pan Chris, text said pan Dana, text said pan Miss Princess, text said pan poor Nanalyn, text said pan Rose, text said pan no. Them days they done. Me and you out here. Me and you war. You nobody else know have nothing about me. You're too wicked. Look how nasty, stinking syphilis, herpes, tongue girl. Allow the people them alone. Boy, yeah, come out with breast. Come out back, you can't get no trouble. Come out back, you can't get no trouble. Look how cold drunk. Come out here. Come out here. Somebody here look for text set pan. You not take no set pan. None of the young people them out here with them brand. None of my fellow Jamaican them. You not take no set pan them. You think you not draw none of them energy. Chris pay the price all for everybody out here. That's why me a draw it back from you. All thieving girl. But you come post up breast because you said the lady say about big breasts. Her breasts them big. You go on like you don't want nobody chat on them platform and you want social media rotten teeth drunk. Come out here. Anybody what you think say you can go after. Me nobody na answer you and me I do all of the talking. Them days they done. You're taking enough already. Anybody name where you come out here where the people them have them brand. All if them trouble you trouble them back me I come for you. All if then trouble you, if then get the time now, the people them where you trouble, and them see now when they can come to a stone, you better turn up and take click. You better turn up. They say all of who you trouble, and then trouble your back. Cause you see, you look at barfly where you send $30 go Jamaica go give. Me never see it. I mean now waste my time and talk to no dirty girl. Me not talk to no old bar girl. Any girl when me a talk to, you are the only girl when I no throat back when me a talk to. Me not chat to no girl where they are Jamaica when I have no throat back and no body hole. None. So send you $30. Cause anybody will come at me for you. And you me a liberty. So if you can't take it, cause me not come out, me not done with you. And me not done with you no time soon. This is a nasty underprivileged girl. Do man entitled for post up her breast because her breast them big. But it just that them real. She not thief no PP loan money and buy none. All pop down. All are young and reckless are all and reckless. Cause I don't know whether you all are you go. I don't know whether you come or you go. All reckless, stagnant Tina. Leave the people that leave Altia alone. Leave the woman alone. You're not taking a set for none of the people them out here. All germs. So when you did war, and you tell me something never ask you no question. When you want TS Sophie for text set pan Chris, you sit down on your computer, the same email address where you use to write for troubles. Lose our work. You go back and write it. The same one where you use and write Jerry and then your where the place name down there, JPS and all of the contract place. The same one. It you use. I make Sophie Dunkley lose her work. Figure cost Chris. Hey, look at dirty girl. Look at nasty stinking dirty girl. When man him mama and him sister take the same man. Hey, look at concubine granny girl Tina. Moving up. Moving up. You come off here. This is a dirty girl. You come on. What Altia do you? Altia see you? When you get up and you take down the girl page. Cause you want she come see you. I know all of your little tricks them. All of your little tricks them. You're not fool nobody out here. None. Look at underprivileged drunk crow. Half of you make a girl lose her work. What you make a girl losing work for? I'll do what you forget it to cause she did too enough. Boy, you want she cuss Chris. You not say you're wicked. Man, you make me come out here come talk. I tell me I come out here, me I come out here come talk where you tell me say. Me I come out here come talk where you tell me say your big friend we live in a hotel tell you say. Me I come out here come talk the things that when you talk about your big friend. Can you tell me say you don't like none of them? You tell me say you don't like none of 90 the plank and reject them. You don't like none of them. The only reason why make you roll with them is because them a cuss the woman. Now that you tell me. Look all germs. Boy you want come out. Come out here. Come out here. You're turning there. You're only supposed to come out here, come sell your dirty cake them. Top text set on the people them out here. Nobody not take no set on nobody. You not sit down on the people them and ride the people them. You're too enough. All the one big old case she with her teeth himself and you and her teeth up with charity money and go down there for got time pan Tony. This is a nasty stinking dirty girl. Any watch me and you go on. Had the pan yes no. Cause I'm going to come out here, come ride here and come talk to people in business and talk your big friend business. Why you tell me about your big friend? We're gonna do our ear when make you take why you take off the blonde ear? Why you take off the blonde ear? Why you take off the ass ear? Why you take off the ass ear, drunk? Why you take it off? Look all reject drunk. Why you take off the ass ear? What you tell me about your friend? You not tell me say you not like your friend? Because your friend chat about too much over your friend come tell you so in the paper that over your man for take people. I will talk things out here, you know. Come back out here if me not put out Julian and Denny's address. Me sorry for Noel because any how she come back out here, them are gonna know exactly because they say the address where you give me, you said they are Noel neighbor. People are gonna know exactly where Noel may I put it out. Me I put out the woman a Connecticut or Long Island woman where you tell me say have a 2 gunman son where you say carry Noel business can't tell you. Me I go dash it out here. Hi. Me I dash it out here, Tina. Me I dash out everything out here. I'm in a business. The police want get involved. Me I go contact what you talk say. Me I go contact what you talk say. How the plot for take the woman life did go. Are you tell me never question you? Are you tell me? All me did tell you say me used to do with the woman baby father. You start to report. I will talk out everything out here and I will put out the woman address. The woman where you tell me say have the 2 gunman son them will tell you Noel business. Julian and Denise on a business that go come out here. The people them where you say tell you no, the people them business I go come out. Tina, you not tell me say where you Shana The Russia, oh, me could have know say boy come from Russia. You not tell me say, you don't know if him a the grand pitney daddy, and you tell me so me never ask you no question. If Tina play with me, I dash out everything out here and don't care who want tear up who out here. How me coulda did have it out here for say your daughter Casely? No, you can't tell. Come here, Tina. Tina, big pussy Casely, come. No, you can't tell me say when the man ready, the man beat Casely and take Casely money if I buy drugs. Tina, you tell me so. And you tell me, Tina, me never question you. Uno no make me take out my black book and fuck up every blood clot and who did say this about who and I will turn up on out here, you know. Uno see how me they hold it, make me keep it. No, you can't tell me say man beat Casely for money for drugs. No, you can't tell me so. No, you can't tell me, say, the reason why Karen no like you, I want to find the one blood clot Karen, she you know, have a few questions for her. Some things where Tina tell me about her, and her late Madam Karen's son went over there and pick me. No, you can't tell me, see, because Karen brother used to grind you. And I give you money. Karen come confront you and grudge you. And Karen want to be you. I want to find Karen office. You need to come into my office, my zinc fence office, because I have some question for you. Because Tina tell me a lot of things about you and I want to know if it's true. Uno, don't fuck with me. Oh, not Uno, Tina, don't fuck yourself. Cause me have some question for Karen, but woman to woman, I will not throw it out there. But Karen office reach into my zinc fence office because I am about to talk all of what Tina tell me about everybody. I am about to talk. And you tell me, say, CG a Batman. And you tell me so, me never question you. Coming in a batty business. And you tell me, say, your son is a batty man. Me couldn't know, say, running a Connecticut as what Shana have. Why you tell me, say, you don't care about Shana? Why you tell me, say, you know what, me should have did do, me should have make you send a name. Go send the money, go give somebody. No, so you did want me come out here, come cuss you, pick me them. Pin on all that time if you pin me cash up in no mind, no say me a beg, you know. Mine no say me a beg, cause me no come for tan long, but me I go take it, me I take my little money. Thank you very much, please, and thanks. I wait there. On always that if you pin it, me I pin it. Yesterday me get $90 into it. I wonder if it can double to the Lord. And you can't the people and business. Me pin me cash up people. Me pin me cash up. Me I keep quiet and pin me cash up because 2 days me pin the wrong number. Me no get nothing till me I get something. Me I take it. Come. The cash up no one pin. The phone stuck. Me I go and talk and me I go pin the cash up. Oh, now it a go pin. Wanna keep quiet. I don't want to make no mistake. 2 days me no make nothing. Me I make something. Me I take my blessing. Who lucky? When me get it, me take it. When me need it, me ask for it. Yeah, me I pin it good. Today me make mistake. Yeah, me never question about nobody business. And you tell me so. And you can't tell me say your daughter have jacket. And you tell me so. How you tell me the people them business and me help you chat to people them. So don't come go on like because me don't know your business. And you tell me say CJ is a batty man. And you tell me say your son again. And you tell me not living in your house. Me not living in your container house. And you tell me. And you can't tell me the people in business. And you tell me, you Tina Chin, you tell me, say, you send the email got Sophie workplace. Make Sophie lose in work. For Sophie for cuss Chris. You say the same email where you send go make troubles losing work. Cause all the while social media did that for you got the girl workplace. And you tell me for you send email, Tina. And you tell me the people in business, me never ask you no question. You tell me so. You tell me say your son a batty man. And you tell me say because of my own self, you say because of KINGSTON 13, CJ can't go sell him sitting them. So CJ I sell light and tired for your yard. And you tell me so. Me the question you know you ask me and you can't tell me your business. And you tell me about your picnic them. Cause me never know say the crooked man with K-slave live with K-slave want come out you can size up. You say the man beat K-slave for money for buy drugs. And you tell me. You tell me say you picnic then grudge you. No, you tell me say when Shana dead and you can't tell me say Charlotte China terminal. And you can't tell me. I say when Shana dead, Shana daddy can bury her, but you don't know how your daddy are gonna bury. Tina, you tell me so. Me did ask you no question, dirty girl. No, you need to come and care, so me never question you. And you care the people in business can't tell me. And you tell me, say, Oh, miss, I will mix up the uno. Where woman was sick with the name with Miss Nuncia. No, you tell me, no, you tell me about Miss Nuncia and the blogger we are friend. And when Miss Nuncia the go down a mountain view go say, me the go down there. Me live a KINGSTON and me hungry lane. Me for a who know you Tina Chin carry the people in business. Like how you carry Noel mother, you want me ball out. No, I go Noel, come for me tell you which part your mama live. No, you tell me when Miss and you tell me. But me and you carry the people in business can't tell me. No make me touch over Antigua. No make me touch over Antigua. Why you think me the and you tell me? No, you tell me say you send $30 go Jamaica go give bar fly. And you tell me never question you, and you tell me the people in business, Tina. No, you tell me say you don't have no love, and you can't tell me say Shana terminal. No, you tell me say you don't have no love for Shana, cause Shana don't have none for you. And you carry the people in business coming on my phone. No, you say you're afraid for God Jamaica. Because after you come out here for help and you hear say warrant there Jamaica for you. Me know about war and you can't tell me. Me know say Shana have license for turn real estate or real estate. And you carry the people in business come tell me. Me never question you. No, you tell me say you don't like the people them cause you don't like nobody. How me could I know about Andrew? And you tell me about your brother name Andrew. How me could I know say your daddy there arms out over me can't call the M word. Me now bite my tongue over Boston. And you carry the people in business come tell me Tina, me never ask you no question. Me never ask you no question. And you can't tell me say Stacy a 2 house. How me could I know what me know and you tell me? And you tell me say you married near McLeod. Me know about McLeod? No, you tell me say the man there a Bronx. McLeod live a Bronx. Most I picture them from Noel information and know you send them come give me. No, you send Rob picture come give me. No, you tell me about Kevin. What you tell me say? No, you tell me say Kevin grind and what you tell me is what I am repeating. Cause I ain't telling no lie. You tell me say Kevin grind you into the car park. Give you syphilis or herpes. Cause I am not good with STD cause I don't take it. And it's shingles you have. And you tell me so. How me coulda know about Kevin? How me get rap picture and you send rap picture come give me? Why you see me put out this morning a Tina send it come give me? Me know a pink wall. Me know who name pink wall. And you send them come give me. And tell me say oh then you to do your over pink when I done and you send them come give me. And you send we sitting there mama put up this morning pan the rail. And Tina send them come give me. You want me talk out what you tell me about Gully Baba and Queen? Hey, 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 you have one page pan ya where I get trouble. You want me and you tell me? You want me talk who you tell me one page pan ya? Me did question you, Tina. I go and talk out, hey. I go and you contact Tina, and you tell me. And you tell me, why make you stop, come here. When you did sick, you not see a big card to say, can you ever have somebody? So, oh, you're here. I'm going to tell you, say, yes. Jamaica have gay flag down there. I tell you that. I'm going to tell you. When you catch your coward about Chris, and when you see Chris, I go about in business with envelope underneath the arm. The reason why you not send all sort of authority go over Althea place and because you hear about the policeman. And because you is a coward, you is a coward. You only want people to do your work, see you is a coward. Remember you tell me say from put out your house you're afraid and you start going one of it, you start going Starbucks on a Yankers or you go Bankers, wherever you want go, cause I don't draw for my black book. Cause if I draw for my black book is sin and weep and moan out here. And you carry the people in business, Tina. Tina, now you tell me, say, me know say your police station on a Mount Vernon. Now you tell me, say, you go around this every time Shelly got Jamaica, you go report Shelly. And you go around there and the police run you. Me coulda didn't know say they run you out of Mount Vernon. Me coulda didn't, and you tell me. And you go the other one. Now you tell me so. Now you tell me so you got a station and police run you. The same email where you use make Sophie losing work with serving damn right. And if you say you use go real nephew, public service, all everything.